what does the Malacañang think or make of the statements of the NTF-LCAC, including that of General Parlade, when the palace already made it clear na sinusuportahan niyo po yung community pantries? And related question po ni Maricel Halili of TV5, should Parlade be reprimanded after he compared the community pantry to Satan's apple?
Well, alam niyo po, hindi nagbabagong panindigan ng ating presidente. Lahat po na makakatulong sa ating mga mahihirap sa panahon ng pandemya, welcome po yan. At ang atin po, bayanihan, hindi bangayan. We think, and I will repeat it, na itong mga community pantries represents the best of the Filipino in the worst of times. No? So kung meron pong ibang mga kinakailangan gawing katungkulan ng mga taga-LCAC, bahala po sila. Pero ang general policy po natin, we welcome these community pantries, lahat ng nakakatulong sa ating mga kababayan, at ito rin po naging posisyon ng DILG at ng PNP. We will leave it at that.
With regard to LCAC, would the President order itong sila General Parlade to refrain from issuing statements that are not aligned, in particular dito sa community pantries, that are not aligned with the palace position? Because there is a sentiment, I think, from the Senate. No? Si SP Soto says the program may be good, but we're having problems with the way certain officials are conducting themselves. So we may probably just replace the officials and retain the program. So questions are, will the President order sila General Parlade to refrain from issuing particular statements?
Well, siguro po kakausapin namin ni Secretary Anyo, si Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, no? Because that's the proper chain of command po. No? I think General Parlade reports to Secretary Lorenzana, and hindi naman po sikreto na may mga pagkakataon na pinagsabihan na ni Secretary Lorenzana na mag-ingat-ingat ng kaunti si General Parlade sa kanyang mga deklarasyon.
And the statements, sir, do you agree with yung mga previous statements nitong sila General Parlade, the palace, I mean?
As far as the community pantries are concerned, malinaw po ang posisyon ng Presidente dyan, malinaw ang posisyon ng DILG, malinaw ang posisyon ng PNP. Let 1,000 community pantries bloom.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.